Okay, I guess the battery is charged. Charged enough to, yeah, it's green light. You can't see it in this camera, but I don't think. Okay, got the green light, and now we have stage lights. The glue will be dry by now, dry enough to work with. So let's see. Cool. Got that. Put this back here. All right, let's check. Oh, I need to plug in the USB cable in the camera. Okay. All right, so the camera is set up again, and let me start taking time-lapse photos every 5 seconds. Ready, go! Okay, I did not do an onion skin to make sure it is in the right position. I'm sure it's not in the same position exactly, but so we'll be able to see that. Now, this little guy is, as you can see, it's attached to the corner here. So the idea is that it's still wet, wetter than I expected. The idea is that I can put this against the corner here and measure the distance from the corner to the edge of the circle. And if I eyeball it to make them all the same, then that should mean this plate is in the middle of the circle. And then I'll mark holes, or I'll mark where to drill holes for the thing. And then we should hopefully have a centered, a centered bearing. What is this kind of plate bearing or something? What's that? Bearing. Okay. No. So, okay. Just gonna, guess I can make a little mark on my stick in one corner. Now the opposite corner is not terribly far off. Okay. And then this corner, a little bit. Go do. This corner. Oh, I can rotate the whole thing and thereby see straight down. Okay. So it's like a gillameter. No, it's a millimeter past the mark. I'll make a new mark. Okay, that's one. And then this is 2. 3. Okay, so it's not centered at this point. Okay, good. Now, which way is it not centered? This was too far this way, so I'm going to push it a little bit like that. And here. Oh wait, did I do it wrong? Oh, I did it wrong. I did it backwards. Shoot. Okay, this was... Yeah, now it's way far that direction. Okay, so this needs to go this way. Okay, so that's just over the edge. Okay, that's right on the line. Turn, and that's right on the line. Whoa, and turn, and that's over the line, or that's sticking out too far this way. And this one is too far this way. So if I move the whole thing directly that way, okay, it's still too far. See this? What's happening is it's my first time to do this. That's what's happening. Excuse me. I have another idea. If I were to make this so I could like rotate it so it is touching the outside edge here, then I could move it all around. Maybe I just put my fingers down. No, that's going to be too wiggly. That's a good idea. the trick, as I said before, is that this edge is round and beveled, and sorry, that's just my dust squeaking. Okay, and yeah, it'll be more important to get this right than to start today, even though I really wanted to start today on the overall project. But, okay. So I'm going to add a couple of sticks here. Okay, I can bend these and not break it, so do like that, and bend, not break this guy. And let me glue this in place. Glue, glue, glue. Okay. So that'll be there. And then bend to not break this side. And glue this one. Glue, glue, glue. Zip. Cool. Now with this shape, I can put this, glue it here, and it's going to act as a guide. Essentially, these 2 points on the outer edge of the circle, if this is flat on the circle, will ensure that this inner part of the thing is in the same distance into the circle, and I can draw a line while moving this around the circle, and the line will be pretty close to where this corner needs to be, and then it's an easier possibility to eyeball, like to check by naked eye the distance of the thing. Now this is a little bit twisted. Untwist. Okay, that should be good. Alright. Now okay, that's enough glue, that'll be fine. That's fine. So I'm going to glue this guy down here, right there, and here. Okay. So hopefully this will work the way I want. And where's the clamp? Clamp, clamp, clamp. And this guy, clamp. Oops, it turned, it rotated. Shoot. Okay, come on, buddy. Oh no, my finger's stuck. Oh no, it's not centered. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. All right. Now, that's good. These guys, I want these to be straight, so I will use a bit of they go. Let's use a pipe cleaner. So this pipe cleaner will just hold them into place. Boop-doop, boop-doop, boop-doop. Oh, that's too tight. Okay. Cool. So that's about a right angle there. And yeah, it'll dry pretty well. Oh, I can't put, oh, I can put circles on the back side. Stiffen it from the back side. Let's see. And then it'll be super strong. Okay, there's one. Clamp that guy down. Oh, this is what I wanted before. Okay, so clamp this one here. Clamp. Okay, that's going to stay. And then one more circle from the magic bag of circles. The bag's not really magic, it's just plastic. If it were magic, I could tell it which circle I wanted exactly and just come right up. Alright. Now, that's fine. Put glue back here. Cool. And bingo. Okay, so now these two are oh, wrong side. Shoot. It's the wrong side. It needs to go on this side. Glad I got that. Okay. Okay. So that's going to stick a little bit, but it should be alright. Be alright. Nice. Alright. So this guy will be able to be rotated around the perimeter of the circle. So I can draw a line just inside here that will be approximately where these screw points need to go into place. And then I will be more easily able to center this on the thing. Okay. So that's pretty good. Whoa. Guess I don't need the Price tag. Oh, what is this? 90. 90 yen? What is that? Bane clamp. Called the Bane clamp. Use a saw to cut plastic. Done. Okay. There. Now, so that guy will dry. So, yeah, sorry, it's another chance to let glue dry. But what else can I do while we're messing around here? I'll do another motion test, see if I can get these guys to walk around a little bit. Where can I put this? I'll put it here. No, this one is too shaky. Shaky, shaky. Oh, there we go. So this camera is currently moving at 5 frames per, no. 5 seconds per frame. So 5 frames per 25 seconds. And it's going to record at, be played back at 12 frames per second. So if it's just one character moving, it looks like 5 frames per second is plenty of time for me to move the character. So here's 2 characters. Well, I can't reach the rear character. Oh, I can move like this. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky. I can't get my hand out of the way necessarily. Nope, this guy just moved. So that's not going to work well. If these are together, I can just move. Zip. However, I also have to remember the stage is going to be rotating continuously during the shoot. So that's got to be part of my little calculations here. And it's definitely going to throw off my locational memory. So I remember things by location. And if it's going to challenge it, because if this thing is turning all the time, my frame of reference will have to rotate too. I think I'm getting my hands out of the way in time. Uh-oh. A clock appeared. So yeah, 3 things. I can't move my hands fast enough within 5 seconds. So, people, clock. Oh no, they are turned around. So they will, oh okay, I'll just keep rotating them. Okay, rotate and fix the clock. Rotate, clock. I think what I'll do, I'll make 2 videos today. One which has every frame that we took, and one that's a kind of like cleaned up version, just the correct frames for this scene. And that'll be another test for helping me learn how to use Dragon Frame software. So if they want to turn around, what would that look like? So he starts to turn as the clock and this rotates. Okay, get this picture. So it's rotating. He's turning. Rotate. Turn. I think the turn is happening too fast. Because if it's 12 frames a second, he's got to turn around in like 12 steps, just 1 second to turn. Okay. So I noticed that as I'm turning the stage, the red guy is being turned by the handle on the clip. So let's just see what that ends up being like. Maybe I can turn him all the way around. So now this guy can start walking forward again, now that he's turned around. So we're walking, the clock is moving. Okay, we'll continue to rotate. Random light guy. might be good to have a way to, gosh, I don't know, to auto advance the stage rotation. That's going to be tricky to keep it consistent, because right now I'm like, wait, which way was I rotating it? So let's make a rule. It's always counterclockwise right now. Maybe that'll change during the thing, and maybe it'll double confuse myself if I change it during the shooting. So for the first month, have it be clockwise, and the second month, have it go counterclockwise. Lose my mind doing that. Because, I mean, these guys can barely get across the stage in the time that it rotates. So what does that mean for their world? Are they going to walk with fixed position toward the walking toward the wall? Or are they going to walk looking at the parts of the marble track? And what does that mean for me? As last time I did the gag that this little guy couldn't keep up with the rotation of the thing, or he was exactly keeping up to it. So now the clock is doing that. It's staying in a fixed position in space, but not in time. Wah, wah, wah. Being a clock and all that. But these guys are getting rotated by the stage as they're I mean, are they trying to walk across to here, or are they trying to get to a certain point on the stage? That's the question. Red guy is going to walk right into the clip hinge again. It's interesting to have the clock in the background. I wonder if it'll be interesting. I guess it is. I guess it'll be interesting. Yeah, red guy's getting turned again. Turn around every now and then. Okay. How is old Sita? And for that matter, Avery. Sean. I forgot his name. Shane. Oh my gosh, I started rotating it the wrong way, didn't I? That's so funny. Yeah, gotta work out a way to rotate properly. And in the movie, it's going to look like a snap change. It's not going to have like slowed down. So it's going to look very unnatural in that regard. That sucks. Oh well. And right now, because it's a test, I'm not going to like stress about it. Just going to keep going. Excuse me. Uh-oh, Red's guy is having a big problem here. He's getting knocked over. How far can he get knocked over without falling? Oh, his hand is linked over there. Gone. Let's see. This did. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. Was it up here? Yeah, it must have been up here. Okay, let's see if that photo is about correct. And this guy was standing back there. Oh, I'm tired. What's it been, like 20 minutes moving these guys around? One problem is I'm physically far away from the set, so I have to hold my arms out. Move these guys. Ta-dum. I'm not sure what else to do right now. Oh man. I'm going to be useless for my Japanese lesson today. It starts in 40 minutes, so I'm going to wrap this up in about 10 minutes. And I have these guys climb onto this spaceship and fly away. Okay, so now they're going to be aiming for this. So as the stage rotates, they're going to have to compensate. One thing that I need to work on, gosh, not my yawning skills, I got those down, is like having the characters kind of react to each other. Last week, oh, that's backwards again. Last week, the one character climbed off the stage and then the other ones followed him, but they all started to move at the same time, which, given that I'm completely realistic in all other aspects of this movie, is not very realistic. So I need to think about, I would like to think about ways to have the characters react in a natural amount of time to things that happened, as opposed to me get an idea, it's like, oh, let's all move them this way, and then they all move at the same time, like a flock of birds or something. And if I recall correctly, I mentioned that I'm going to make these guys build a ramp to get onto the stage, on and off. I might build a couple ramps. Oh, it would be cool if the ramps could be used for part of the marble track later. If the... to think about that. Oops. Get my hands out of the way. Boo boo. Okay, he's gonna jump. It's a big jump for him to get up on top of here, but he made it, yay. Oh, okay. So red guy can sail off on this little boat, and then red and green and pink and blue guy and just kind of fall into the water after him. And that's an example of a kind of appropriate reaction time. Because this is, yeah, it's still, he has a second to react, but it's going to drive him right off into the water. Maybe he doesn't, he's just focusing on the boat and not realizing that it has left the station. You can just go gloop. All right, big guy, going for a swim. I can't actually see if the big camera can see the red guy right now. Just 1 second. Nope, cannot be seen. Okay. Okay, I'm going to say that's long enough and cut the video from here. And 614 shots taken. Click that. So there's 744 in the whole thing. So here, I'll let you watch as we try to figure out. Whoa, that's dangerous. Not too far, okay. I don't have an easy way to rotate this camera. Infinity and beyond. There we go. Oh wait, so yeah, I guess you can kind of see that. Good enough. Let me make this full screen. Maybe you can see it better. Alright, so let's see. First, I'm going to export a movie. How? I forgot. Huh? Where's the menu? Playback. This one here. Wow. Export movie. Oh, Command T. Okay, frame rate 12, all frames. Export. Oh, wacky title. This will just be all 744 frames. Well, that's exciting. Okay, I can turn off the camera. Four megabytes. So today was 744 frames. I got about, divide that by 12. What is that? A minute? Not a minute. 840. Right? Would be a minute. So 50 seconds of video. $54 seconds. My expectation is it took in 2 minutes the previous video, Francois, no, it was Rabbi. Rabbi brought the base out, and they were able to place, the little guys were able to place like 1/2 inch of, okay, so it's a 1/2 inch per 2 minutes of video. And if we, so an inch, let's say an inch per 5 minutes of video, and the whole thing will be 12 inches, so that's 1 hour of video. This was 1/60th of that, 30 megabytes, let's say. So 30 times 60, 1.8 gigs. It's not bad. Alright, let's watch this. Oh, this was 1 minute and 2 seconds. Oh, cassette 72, sorry. This is awesome. The clock is just spinning. Counterclockwise, right here. It looks like a DJ. Up, clockwise. Oh no! So the rotation slowed down significantly. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, and there you have it, that's the video. So let me go back to DragonFrame. That's one video. Okay, starting here. So this frame I keep, this frame goes bye-bye. That's frame number 348. Okay, so, oh no, 348. Go to the top, baby, top. Okay. Delete. Okay, cool. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, there's my hand. I'm going to erase my hand. Oh, okay, so that's, I have to highlight it. Okay. There's the hand. Oh, this is going to take forever. Crap. Okay, mouse, come here. Alright, mouse, come here. Mouse. Okay, that's good. This is okay. This is okay. Boop. I'm basically just deleting all the frames where I see my hands in the way. That's a big jump, so I gotta be careful about that. My hands were in the way for a few frames. How do we highlight this green? It's kind of annoying that, yeah, it doesn't delete the frame that I can see. I don't understand why they would do it that way. How does it look? That's reasonable. Get ready, go. Climbs up, the stage starts turning. Clock jumps into place. Okay, okay, it's fine. This is up to here, 81 usable frames. This way I can see the frames down here. Oh, hey, don't move. Where are you guys going? That's a little bit faster. Let me scroll this. There we go. might be done. Are we done? Yeah, why did I miss them? Okay, what's happening here? The thumbnail I see is nothing like the big image I see here. That's annoying. Why would that be? Oh, DragonFrame, come on. You're not cheap software. Oh, 5 minutes to my lesson. Okay, I can't finish this in time. So, I will check out... Alright, I'm going to hang up the streaming here and upload to YouTube. So I'll catch you guys... Well, I will broadcast to 0 followers next week. Yay! Okay, bye.